Have you ever seen a machine effortlessly nail a task with precision and ease? It's like watching an artist craft a breathtaking masterpiece, and that's what we're diving into in this video. The most satisfying and mind-blowing inventions out there. So, sit tight, relax, and enjoy. "3D printed homes." 3D printing is an amazing technology that has been around for several years now. With these incredible machines, you can create almost anything you can imagine. We've all seen time-lapse videos of how 3D printers create objects, but perhaps the most incredible of all is how they can 3D print houses. New Story is a housing charity that is currently 3D printing houses, in partnership with a construction tech company called Icon. The goal of both organizations is to end the global homelessness crisis by mass-producing 3D printed homes in rural areas. Icon's technology is capable of making a 650-square-foot single-story home in less than 24 hours, and the cost of printing a house like this one is only around $4,000. So how does it work? Humans start by assembling the basic wooden structure, and then the 3D printer takes over, printing layers upon layers of mortar. It's like watching a master baker create a work of art cake. Once the machine finishes printing the structure, humans finish the rest by adding plumbing, electricity, doors, and windows. In less than 24 hours, you'll have a comfortable 3D printed home that looks and feels amazing. It's truly one of the most satisfying things in the world to watch the home building process unfold before your eyes. 3D printing is a game-changing technology that has revolutionized the way we create objects, including houses. The work being done by New Story and Icon is truly remarkable and has the potential to make a huge impact on the global homelessness crisis. Road printer. Thanks to modern technology, we can now lay out an entire road in just minutes instead of manually laying bricks one by one. This tedious task can take up a lot of time and effort, and sometimes it's not worth it. With the road printer, constructing a road has never been easier. Why spend countless hours and manpower when a machine can do it for us? The road printer is a remarkable 6-meter-wide machine that can repave an entire street at once, including the edges. It's incredibly easy to operate, and anyone can work with it within just 5 minutes. The stones fall directly onto the road, forming the appropriate pattern effortlessly. This machine is the perfect solution for the heavy work that street pavers would otherwise have to do manually. The road printer requires only 1 to 3 operators on its platform to provide the machine's pusher slot with loose bricks from the hopper. It runs entirely on electricity and moves at a speed of 13 feet per minute. Paving stones are smoothly lowered via a curved ramp into place in the correct pattern, and the machine self-steers to keep the road straight and in place. Then a tamper or steamroller pushes the bricks down to secure them in place. The road printer is capable of creating roads from 3 to 20 feet wide, depending on the construction worker's input. As workers insert bricks into the machine's forward compartment, the road printer automatically processes the bricks and splits the assembled road from its rear. Hydraulic press. Have you ever seen a hydraulic press in action? It's a remarkable invention that has taken the internet by storm in recent years. While it's been a staple in manufacturing for a while, It's their squishing power that has made them so popular. These machines pack an enormous amount of force into a relatively small area, making them capable of crushing almost anything. From fruits and vegetables to everyday household items, it's mesmerizing to watch them destroy everything in a matter of seconds. Sure, hydraulic presses are incredibly useful in various industries, but their true entertainment value lies in their ability to crush everyday items. It's no wonder that these videos have become so popular online. The satisfaction of seeing something as mundane as a piece of bread being flattened into oblivion is hard to explain. Watching these machines in action is like witnessing a fascinating science experiment that's both mesmerizing and strangely satisfying. It's hard not to be impressed by the sheer power of hydraulic presses. These machines generate an insane amount of force and can crush just about anything you put in their way. From a viewer's perspective, it's fascinating to watch them in action. Whether you're a fan of science experiments or just love watching everyday items getting crushed, hydraulic presses are sure to provide endless hours of entertainment. Shredding machines. Paper shredders are a common sight in offices all over the place. They're usually used to destroy reports and documents that contain sensitive information like employee records and financial statements. But did you know there are gigantic shredding machines that can demolish pretty much anything? These machines have become popular on social media because of their power. They can destroy anything that gets trapped in the machine. You can spend hours watching things being destroyed, but have you ever wondered how these machines work? Shredders are equipped with metal blocks that have sharp edges or blades that are placed closely together, staggered front and back. When the machine is turned on, you can feed almost anything into it and it'll crush it. The metal grabs the desired object and pulls it through the shredder, cutting it as it goes. It's no wonder people are so fascinated by these machines. Who doesn't love watching things get destroyed? But it's not just about the entertainment factor. Shredding machines play an important role in keeping sensitive information safe. Whether you're shredding old bills or confidential company documents, these machines make it easy to dispose of information securely. So the next time you're feeding something into a shredder, take a moment to appreciate the technology that's making it happen. Vacuum forming machine. The vacuum forming machine is a super cool piece of tech that uses heat and vacuum sealing to shape a 4mm plastic sheet around a preset mold. Made by a company called Formec, this machine is super versatile and can produce all sorts of plastic shapes, making it perfect for designers and manufacturers alike. Using it is simple. Just pop the mold into the machine, lower it, add the plastic on top, and let the machine do its thing. After just 60 seconds of heat, the plastic gets really soft and flexible. Lift the mold up and bring it down to meet the plastic, and in a flash, you'll see the mold come to life in the form of the plastic. Whether you want a cashew gorilla head or a steering wheel, the possibilities are endless. This machine is not only efficient, but also cost-effective, making it a great option for businesses that want to produce lots of plastic products. Whether you're a designer looking to create something special, or a manufacturer hoping to streamline your production process, the vacuum forming machine is the tool you need. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.